The F-22's production came to a halt partly due to the challenges associated with its design and avionics becoming dated over time. The cost of modernizing the F-22 for continued service would have been substantial and might not have comprehensively addressed all of its technical limitations. This retirement led to the development of the Next Generation Air Dominance Program. This initiative aims to create a new fighter aircraft that will eventually replace the F-22 and continue the legacy of air superiority. The F-22 Raptor, an icon of modern air power, has left an indelible mark on the world of aviation.